In the state of Washington, the school superintendent for the state level asked Governor Inslee today to require teachers and other school staff K through 12 to be vaccinated against COVID or they could be fired. Lisa Balick joins us live with details on that and checking into what's happening with Oregon teachers. And of course, Lisa, this is happening close to the start of the school year. So actually, apparently we don't have Lisa at this moment.
It's a big concern because School starts in just a couple of weeks, as everybody knows, but they will have enough time if the governor approves this to get vaccinated because the deadline for that would be mid-October. Now, keep in mind, though, this is something that does have some exemptions if the governor, again, agrees to this sometime next week. The exemptions would be for medical or religious reasons. Now, in a letter to the governor, the Washington school superintendent wants the same vaccine requirement the governor just issued for all state workers and private sector healthcare workers. October 18th, the deadline to get fully vaccinated in Washington. Again, the governor has to agree to this. Now, the school superintendent says the main motivation with COVID cases spiking and the highly contagious variant is he wants to keep kids in the classroom this year and avoid shutdowns.
When your kids are potentially at risk, you do whatever you have to do between harm and that child. And in this case, vaccines can do that for the last 40 or 50,000 personnel in our school system.
Now, the head of Washington School says he has been in contact with Governor Inslee about this, and the state teachers union says it supports it if public health experts say the requirement is a good idea. Meanwhile, I checked in today with the Oregon Department of Education, the governor's office, whether or not something is going to be moved forward here as well. I'll have that answer coming up today at 5. Live in Clackamas County, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.